Today, we have an interesting topic for you aviation enthusiasts out there. We will dive into the world of the F-35 fighter, covering its design, production cost, armament, speed, and year of manufacture. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to fly with us. Let's start by discussing the design of the F-35. This fifth-generation multirole fighter jet is an engineering marvel. Its sleek, stealthy design allows it to evade enemy radar, making it virtually invisible to the enemy. The aircraft's advanced aerodynamics give it exceptional maneuverability and agility, allowing it to perform complex missions with ease. Now, let's move on to the production cost of the F-35. As one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, it is no surprise that its development and production is costly. The total cost of the program is estimated to be around $1.7 trillion, making it one of the most expensive military projects in history. However, it is important to note that this cost covers decades of development, production, and maintenance, as the F-35 is designed for long-term service. Turning to weaponry, the F-35 does not disappoint. It offers an impressive range of weaponry options to address a variety of mission objectives. The fighter has an internal weapons bay, which allows it to carry a significant payload while maintaining its stealth characteristics. The F-35 can carry a combination of air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground munitions, and even nuclear weapons. Its integrated sensor systems and advanced targeting capabilities ensure precise and effective strikes on ground and air targets. Let's talk about speed. The F-35 is no slouch when it comes to speed. The F-35 has a top speed of around Mach 1.6 or 1,200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest fighters in the world. This speed allows it to respond quickly to threats, engage targets quickly, and maneuver quickly in challenging airspaces. Combined with its advanced avionics and stealth capabilities, the F-35 is a formidable force in the skies. Finally, let's discuss the years in which the F-35 was built. Development of the F-35 began in the late 1990s, with the first flight taking place in 2006. Since then, production has ramped up with deliveries to various branches of the U.S. military and international partner nations. The F-35 has gone through several block upgrades, with each iteration improving its capabilities and overcoming initial challenges. As of our knowledge deadline in 2021, the F-35 continues to be produced and deployed globally, ensuring its dominance in the U.S. military.